Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Syahidah Hanis, S79030. I am from Group 8. Today I want to present my project proposal and we choose IMAT 24. So this is my team members.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ismat Akila Nabila binti Zuhairi, market number S79091. Today I want to talk about project background. Project is based on a renowned South Korean retail brand that offer a premium Korean style lifestyle shopping experience. The outlet is strategically located at Batu 12 Kampung Mada, near residential area and educational institution, making it easily accessible to both local residents and students. In addition, the store operates 24 hours a day, provide customer with the convenience of shopping at any time. The business also benefit from the growing popularity of Korean culture, including Korean food, entertainment, and lifestyle trend, especially among teenagers in young adults. This increasing interest has created a stronger demand for Korean products, giving the store strategic potential to attract a large customer base and achieve long-term business growth.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Ayu Nabila binti Samain, number matric S80500. Next, I want to talk about consumer problem. First, many food and retail stores offer the same kind of experience. Young people want something new, fun and exciting, but many places feel boring and repetitive. Because of this, customers often lose interest and look for other options. Second, there is a growing demand for Korean street food. Korean culture is very popular, especially among young people. However, it is still difficult to find Korean street food that is both authentic, halal certificate and affordable. This creates a gap in the market. Third, consumers today care about more than just food. They also want a comfortable and beautiful place to spend time with friends. Many people enjoy taking photos and sharing them on social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. However, not many places provide a nice and aesthetic environment for this. Finally, after the pandemic, people have become busier and prefer convenient food choice. There is a strong increase in demand for high quality, ready-to-eat meals that are quick, tasty, and easy to enjoy anytime. These four problems show that consumers are looking for a place that offers exciting experience, affordable halal Korean food, a beautiful atmosphere, and convenient ready-to-eat meals all in one place. Now, let's look at our understanding of the market and the practical approach we will take. First, our main target audience is Gen Z and millennials. This group spend a lot of time on social media and are influenced by online trends. They enjoy visiting places that are visually attractive and shareable on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Second, we focus on providing halal and affordable food. Many consumers, especially students, want Korean food but are concerned about halal certification and high price. By offering a wide range of halal certified menu items at reasonable price, we can build trust and attract more customers. Third, we want to create a unique Korean experience. We will not only sell food, but also provide an immersive environment. This includes authentic Korean music, modern lighting, attractive decoration, and self-service ramen cooking station where customers can prepare their own noodles. This makes the visit more fun and memorable. Finally, the future growth, we plan to expand into East Coast states such as Terengganu, Kelantan, and Pahang. These areas have growing demand and offer strong opportunities for business expansion. By understanding our customer and using this practical approach, we can create a unique experience that meets consumer needs and support long-term business growth. That's all for me. Thank you.
Objective of the project. Objective 1. Study how IMAT 24 successfully built a rapidly popular Korean convenience retail brand in Malaysia. Objective 2. Identify the specific customer needs and market gaps that trigger strong support from young local consumer. Objective 3. Evaluate operational and communication strategy used by IMAT 24 to secure a competitive edge in the fast-growing retail sector.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Natasha binti Razali, number matric S80439. Moving on to our purpose solution, we have categorized our strategy into two main pillars. First, a guide product update. To keep excitement high and drive repeat visit, we propose a guide product update. This means frequently introducing trending Korean snack, dessert and limited edition seasonal items that appeal directly to our target market. Second, viral media marketing. Next, to boost our online visibility, we will focus on viral media marketing. We will create high quality, aesthetic food review and promotional videos, specifically optimized for high engagement platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Third, influencer collaboration. Marketing, we will leverage influencer collaboration. By partnering directly with local university students and digital content creators, we can build organic, trustworthy word of mouth online. Next, workspace enhancement. We suggest workspace enhancement, upgrading our dining areas with comfortable seating, stronger Wi-Fi and accessible charging port will transform our store into a student-friendly hub, promoting longer stay. Moreover, to drive customer volume from nearby university, we will introduce student incentives. This include wallet-friendly student meal combo and targeted discount promotion. Therefore, mobile loyalty program. To encourage repeat purchase, we will roll out a mobile loyalty program. This app-based membership network will track points, push personalized promotion and retain customer long-term. Finally, staff service standard. We will elevate our staff service standard by training store personnel in polite communication, rapid service and spotless cleaning. We ensure positive review and a welcoming environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nurian Afriati binti Yaakob and my metric number is S79985. I will be presenting the project timeline of our IMAT 24 project. In week 1, we focus on the initial project planning and systematically allocated tasks among all group members to ensure smooth project execution. In week 2, we conduct data collection, market tracking, and core research on IMAT 24 Bombadak to gather relevant information for our study. In week 3, we carried out the active implementation of the project and performed a critical analysis of the data and information collected. In week 4, we continue monitoring and evaluating our research findings to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and relevance to the project objective. In week 5, we prepare the academic report including formatting, organizing the content, and making the necessary edits to improve the overall quality of the report. Finally, in week 6, we prepare the presentation slide, practice our presentation skill, and complete the final project submission. Overall, the timeline helped our team stay organized, manage tasks effectively, and complete the project within the given time frame. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, Doctor. My name is Faiz Hakim Muhammad and my metric number is S81400. So today I want to talk about conclusion and final recommendations. So for strategic alignment, IMAT 24 succeed because it's recognized that modern job value the dining atmosphere and social connection just as much as the products. So for number 2 is continuous product innovation. IMAT 24 must maintain a steady pipeline of trending Korean item and seasonal package to stop competitors from overtaking the market. So for number 3 is digital outreach. They must scale up creative, probably short or video content on TikTok and Instagram to firmly capture the regional university demographic. So lastly is service quality control. They must keep staff customer centric, efficient and friendly to convert initial viral traffic into lifelong loyal customers.